And who are you?
I'm a much younger man.
I'm Lyndon from the past.
Lyndon from the past.
Yeah, your tan line's not as strong as I thought, but it's definitely...
Tiffany Park. Flashback.
We're going to go for a hike. We're in Santa Maria. All the other boats left us. No, not all of them. There's one power boat here still. But the other 2 sailboats left. There's apparently a hike over there, so we're gonna go check it out. Our batteries have been doing really poorly. They got really low two nights ago, I think, on our pass when we were sailing overnight, just because we have to run on the autopilot because we can't get our wind vane to work. So anyways,
and it was really cloudy, so we're not.
It was really cloudy.
Charge during the day. And
it was sunnier today, but now it's clouded over. So we've been just monitoring them all morning, trying to get them to charge up, hoping that they're not pooched. But looks like
they're not too pooched.
Too pooched. They're a little pooched. Anyways, we're gonna go check out this hike and get some exercise, which I desperately need because I'm going crazy. I'm feeling like cabin fever on the boat, and I miss people. I'm very excited to get to Cabo. My expectations are that there's going to be a lot more boats there and people to meet, which will be nice. But hopefully that's the reality. Anywho, we gotta go fill up our dinghy again because she's getting flat. That's okay.
You gotta get out.
I do? Yeah.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, I'm stuck!
So far away!
I so far to go. I got soaked. Oh yeah, I'm like waist deep now.
You getting deeper?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, there's so far to go. We made it. I'm soaked.
You should have paddled. What were we thinking?
Oh man, the water is so warm. It's very nice. Look at my sand dollar. That is so nice. What does it look like? The internals.
Just like
Crazy. Whoa!
it's not cold though.
No, it's so nice. Look at the size of this one. That is the biggest sand dollar I've ever seen. It's way bigger than Lyndon. That is crazy.
There's some crazy looking currents going on out here. Pretty cool though. I want to go walk through them.
Biggest sand dollars I've ever seen on this beach. This one's not even the biggest.
Every time we go to a beach, Tiff takes a million shells. And we have to throw them out, but she just can't do it all in one step. What you got there?
Another sand dollar.
What are you gonna do with all that stuff?
I don't know. It just seems wrong to not pick it up. This is crazy. This is a big shell that is not broken. Oh look! Little one!
What do you got there, Tiff?
A little crab on the beach.
What did you collect?
Some shells. Shh, don't tell. I will return some. I just want to look at them closer. Try to get them in the water. So we waited a little too long and this shallowed out over a sandbar over here. So we have to find a way out. We did it! That was a little bit more risky than the last beach landing and exit we had. That was more fun actually. Beautiful, babe.
Okay, see? Not really. Well, there's a little.
Oh yeah, there's fish down there. I hope the chicken doesn't fall off. Looks like it's falling off.
A chunk of it. Oh,
Shoot.
but look at them all come.
Oh yeah. Careful, hang on. Maybe go a little deeper. Oh, that one's
They're
bigger.
definitely eating that chicken.
Too bad it came off the hook.
Look at them go for it.
Go.
Okay.
Go for the hook. Oh man.
Look at them all coming. I got more chicken.
Gorgeous day out here today.
About time.
A couple other boats came. Our batteries are doing a lot better this morning, but last night they were struggling quite hard to even just keep the fridge a little cool. So anyway, I don't know. We'll have to figure out that whole thing. But a couple other boats came. We're gonna hang out here today. Try to catch a fish. There's so many swimming by the boat, and the water's quite clear, so you can really see them. There's so many. This little guy came to visit. That is so crazy. We are swimming and cleaning the boat a little bit. It's so nice out, and the water is so nice. Anyway, this is a pretty awesome place, and I'm feeling much better today. I'm excited to go to Cabo tomorrow. I really hope that it's some different scenery and more of what I expected when I thought of sailing to Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Where'd the magic eraser go?
The magic eraser? It magically...
Am I just not seeing it?
Must not be. Oh wait, what's...
I live with a goof.
What is that? He's been chilling at the ladder all morning. Hang on, don't move. We don't know what it is.
It looks like a seahorse of some kind.
Yeah. Ooh. You want to pass it up here?
Sure. I'm just sort of stuck.
What is it?
We're like the scary grandparents. Really old. We just want to get a good look at ya. Don't be scared. Tell me.
That's weird.
We just want to get a good look at ya.
Wow, that is cool. He's very brave. I was swimming this morning. Lyndon cut my hair yesterday. Trying something new. I was swimming by off the ladder and it would like not be, it wasn't scared. It just kept coming back and swimming by me, which I didn't love.
Something good to have for them, just to be kind.
I know, I never thought of that. A couple of fishermen just came up with lobster, which we didn't buy, but they also asked for candy, which we don't have, but it would be good to have stuff like that to give to these guys out here. Maybe we'll pick some up in Cabo. Lyndon finally going for a swim today.
I don't know, is that grass or is that an eel?
He's not, he's just a little, look at he did go around the little handle. He's just a little seahorse.
My little eel whisperer. Okay, I'm going in because it's hot and it will be nice to have a nice little cool down.
Oh yeah, it's so nice. You won't regret.
This is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, it's so true.
Sunshine, and in the morning you swim. So
you better do it.
Here I go. Ready? Classic Lyndon. Well, this is a little loose, eh?
Yeah.
Just take that down. I should do that right now. Ah!
Thoughts?
Oh, it's so nice.
I know. It's so nice. We are leaving today for our passage to Cabo, and we don't want to leave because it's really nice here today, but our weather looks good. The seas look calm. And
wind, but calmer sea.
Not a lot of wind, but calmer seas. But I think the wind you said tomorrow is supposed to pick up.
Yeah, it'll pick up sort of as we go down.
Watch your head on the solar panels. So anyways, we're gonna leave. We're gonna take the calmer seas because of the last pass. Well, we both were having a tough time. That was really, really rough.
Oh, but it was also no sunshine.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
cool hair.
what are you gonna do with all your shells?
Right. I'm just gonna put them in a bucket and look at them when we go.
Oh.
Hello friends, hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. We post a new episode every Wednesday. Also, XANADU is for sale, so if you're interested, there is a link in the description below that you can check out. Hope to see you guys here next week. We will be picking up anchor and making our way to Cabo. We're very excited, so we'll see you next Wednesday. Have a good week.